What do you do? It's your boy Heavy Crypto, and in this video I'm gonna show you how exactly I flipped 15,000 to over 800,000 rand trading cryptocurrencies, and I'm gonna show you exact blueprint step by step on how exactly I build up my portfolio simply by trading, spot trading or Luno crypto exchange. And in this video I'm gonna pretty much review everything, so make sure you watch the whole video to the very end so that you don't miss out anything. And if you're new to this channel, hey, my name is Arthur, and on this channel we talk about cryptocurrencies and how exactly we make money with cryptocurrencies trading and stuff like that. So let's get right into it straight away. So you already know that Luno exchange is a local crypto exchange that you can trade spot trading and stuff like that. And with spot trading, all you have to do is to buy low and sell high, and that's how we make money, because crypto is very volatile and we have to take advantage of this volatility by buying low when the prices are low and sell higher at higher price when the price is high. And in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can take advantage of this volatility and make passive income every day by simply trading spot trading. So the capital doesn't really matter as long as you are trading every day and you're making sure that you're making profits every day. By the end of the month or later on, you're gonna be one step ahead from where you started. So this is the reason why you have to be consistent by making profits and stuff like that. So in this video I'm gonna review pretty much anything, and I'm gonna show you how exactly you can be making passive income every day with spot trading simply by taking advantage of Luno crypto exchange. So it doesn't really matter whether you have got Valak account and stuff like that, as long as you are trading spot trading, this strategy is going to work pretty much on all crypto exchanges. So let's dive right into it. So what you want to do is to simply create an account on any crypto exchange that you can trade spot trading. So we're going to be taking advantage of volatility and we're going to be trading Bitcoin pair. So you already know that I'm in South Africa right now, and I'm going to be trading Bitcoin to ZAR or Bitcoin to South African Rand because I want to take advantage of Bitcoin pair in South African Rand. So if you're in South Africa, this video is good for you. But if you are outside of South Africa, then you can also take advantage of your currency and stuff like that. So you already know that with Luno crypto exchange, you can be able to buy Bitcoin. Like for example, this is a Bitcoin pair, and if you click it, it's going to show you Bitcoin pair in South African Rand. And currently Bitcoin is being traded at 1.2 million South African Rand and stuff like that. And you already know that the Bitcoin price is very volatile. For example, right here it was being traded at 1 million straight, and right here it was high, it was being traded at 1.2 million. So you want to buy when the price is low, like at 1 million like this, and then you want to sell at higher price when the price is being traded at 1.2 million and stuff like that. So price move up and down, know what I mean? So what you want to do is to find your account. Obviously just deposit some South African Rand, and if you don't know how to do that, I made a full video on this channel showing you how exactly you can deposit cryptocurrencies and stuff like that, and how exactly you can use Luno crypto exchange. So I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description below as well. But in this video I'm just gonna show you my strategy that I use to take advantage of spot trading. So once you find your account with your fiat currency, you want to go to where it's written buy like this, right? Bitcoin, you click buy Bitcoin, and you're gonna use this available balance that I have in my wallet. In this case I only have 724 South African Rand, so I'll use this money as an example to buy Bitcoin, right? So this is how exactly you buy Bitcoin. You just have to put the amount that you're willing to buy, but trick is you do not have to buy at any price. You have to buy low and sell high. So I'm going to show you how exactly I find those opportunities. So what I do is I use heavy crypto indicator, and this indicator tells me when it's good time to buy and sell. So let me show you that indicator right now. As you can see, this heavy crypto indicator, and this indicator tells me when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell, because I get these signals, right? These signals buy, sell, and stuff like that. And when I get a buy signal like this, the price will go up, you know what I mean? So when I get a buy signal like this, I go to Luno, like right here, and then I buy Bitcoin with the money that I have in my South African wallet. So I spend like the whole available amount that I have and click next and then buy and stuff like that. And when I get a sell signal, like let's say right here, I go back to Luno and sell my Bitcoin at higher price. So as you can see, when it's time to buy, I get a buy signal at lower price like right here, and then when it's time to sell, I sell at higher price like right here in a profit. And by doing this, you're going to be making profits every day because you're buying at lower price and you're selling at higher price every day. And this is how we make money in crypto and take advantage of this volatility. But other than that, we also have like heavy crypto momentum based indicator, and this is the indicator that tells us if we have got momentum in the market and stuff like that. There's there's a money flow like this green cloud right here, and this green cloud represents when there's money injected into the market, and when this cloud turns red, it means that money is coming out from the market and stuff like that, and you can see a drop, in the nearest region, stuff like that. So as you can see, this cloud also gives us this green and red signals. When there's a green signal, it means that it's time to buy. For example, right here we got this green signal, and if we follow this signal, you buy at the bottom right here, and when you get this red signal right here, you sell at the top. For example, you can see we got exactly a sell signal right here, which is this red signal exactly at the top, and the market drops. I can give you another example right here. We got this red signal right here, and it was exactly at the top right there, and the market dropped until we got this another green signal, and we got this a little bit of pump, and followed by this red signal again, the market dropped. So by simply using these indicators, you're going to be very, very profitable trader, and you're going to be able to build up your portfolio every day and stuff like that. So the link to these indicators is going to be in the description below as well, or you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online, and at heavycryptouniversity.online you can find the indicators as well right here, and you're going to get all the indicators, including all the training that you need to know about how exactly you can use these indicators step by step and be able to make profits every day and stuff like that. And the link to heavycryptouniversity.online is going to be in the description below as well. But if you want a full video on how exactly you can use the Luno app and stuff like that from scratch as a beginner, make sure you check out this video, and I'll also leave a link in the description below as well for this video, and is a Luno app. And it's a Luno app, how to make money with Luno app. It's a full tutorial on Luno app and stuff like that. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and Telegram and stuff like that for daily crypto updates and everything that you need to know about cryptocurrencies. And at Heavy Crypto University, you can pretty much learn anything about cryptocurrencies. Right now we have got this popular course, and this is the most profitable course. You can see we've got over 856 users already, and we have got positive feedbacks from every user that is taking advantage of this course as well. And make sure you join all the telegrams and stuff like that. All the links gonna be in the description as well. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.